I'm Taban Telezi from Ilembet District, serving as the CS TLS GET, responsible for different services within the band GET. I'm here today attending a branch meeting, Karakam branch meeting in Riverside, Devon. We have gained a lot out of the presentations that have been done here. Some of the presentations related to the issues of reading, which are very important, knowing very well that the results and the data that we have is indicating that we are not doing well in terms of reading, especially the learners at the age of 10 years who could not read with meaning. So we have gained a lot from the Department of Basic Education and from our partners, which is VivoP, which have shared a lot of information regarding that. But above that, we have also gained from the DDG in his opening remarks, highlighting the priorities of the department, basic education, and the chief director indicating our pillars or our focus areas that we need to implement within the Department of Education. So one is now preparing to go to commissions, where we believe that the platform will also be conducive for us to be able to gain informative information so that we are able to shape our plans going back to the district and make it a point that we implement and monitor and make an impact that is necessary. Thank you so much.